Hey friends, today we're going to talk a little bit about the names of coins. All right, because everybody knows that these are coins. And if I were to ask you guys if you knew the names, some people know the names, but they might not necessarily know what coin is which one. So I am going to talk about that. All right, this one, this largest one, is a quarter. It's a quarter. All right, a quarter is worth 25 cents. So that's why I put that one on the top. There are some coins that are worth 50 cents or a dollar, but these are more common. You're gonna see a quarter a lot more often. Quarter. Okay, this one is called a dime. Okay, even though this one is small, okay, it's even smaller than this one down on the bottom. Even though it's smallest, a dime is 10 cents. So this is 25 cents and this is 10 cents. That's called a dime. All right. And then this one is a nickel. All right. The nickel is worth 5 cents. Nickel. So 25 cents is the quarter, 10 cents is the dime, 5 cents is the nickel. And then we have a penny. A penny is worth 1 cent. So that's the smallest amount of money. All right, and I thought what we would do now is I'm going to leave just the quarter first. I'm gonna get out a piece of paper and a crayon, and I'm gonna put this kind of close to the top. All right. And just like we did our leaf rubbing, we can do this with our coin. And the cool part is that the front side and the back side of the coin have two different things on them. So there's the front side that I did, and then this is the other side. So sometimes you might flip a coin to make a decision and say heads or tails. So that's heads, and this side is tails. So I'm going to flip it over, and I'm going to do a rubbing of the other side. All right. Move that out. Okay. I get a different color for my dime. All right, so same thing. Let me show you heads and what you might say as tails. All right, so we're gonna put him underneath here. I don't wanna, trying to give them their own space. Okay. Don't want to press too hard. I'm just going to gently go over. All right. Let's pull our dime out. Okay, we're going to do the nickel now. All right, here's one side of the nickel. Here's the other. Okay, I'm going to find another color. Find one that's a little different. Let's go with a green. Scoot that over a little bit because I can feel that it would overlap. So I'm gonna give it its own spot. right, there's our nickel. And then we have our penny. All right, let's find another color. Our penny. All right, now I am going to write the names next to them. Let me get my pencil. All right, so if you're a K5 or a K4, you might ask a grown-up to write the names in highlighter and then you can trace them. Or now that you see the word written out, you can get out your movable alphabet K5s and write it out with your movable alphabet first and then copy it. So quarter, Q-U-A-R-T-E-R. Okay, next is the dime. K3 friends, if you can ask an adult to write it, you could trace these with your fingers. Nickel. N-I-C-K-E-L. And then finally penny. P-E-N-N-Y.